Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the results of a little experiment I did using the new advanced technology chatbot called Chat GPT, which by the way stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which has to do with machine learning. It's a neural network model that uses an evolving set of mathematical techniques to help it learn languages better through context and association. So a few weeks ago when I first signed up, I prompted Chat GPT to write a script for a YouTube video on how to prepare vegan Asian orange tofu instead of orange chicken. Recently, about 2 weeks after my first convo with Chat GPT, I again prompted it to write a script for a YouTube video on how to prepare vegan orange tofu instead of orange chicken. To my surprise, the two scripts were vastly different. Apparently, the chatbot had really learned a lot about YouTube scripting in just about 2 weeks' time. And to be fair, I did forget to type the word Asian in the second prompt. But not only was the recipe different, but the entire structure of the script was different and included directions on what types of scenes to cut to in between cooking instructions. Interestingly though, the second recipe didn't include any measurements. So I had to improvise by researching orange tofu recipes online to guesstimate the measurements based on the ingredients that were given in the script. So yeah, I created a video actually using the script written by Chat GPT, preparing the orange tofu and filming the cut scenes according to the instructions given. And I'm just going to read the first script so that you can get an idea of the differences and see how Chat GPT has advanced in 2 weeks. So here's the first script. Write a script for a YouTube channel video on preparing Asian orange tofu instead of orange chicken. Sure, here's a script for a YouTube video on preparing orange tofu. Title, Healthy Orange Tofu Recipe. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a healthy and delicious alternative to traditional orange chicken, Asian orange tofu. This recipe is vegan, gluten-free, and packed with flavor. Now let's get started. Ingredients: 1 block of firm tofu pressed and drained, 1 orange zested and juiced, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, optional, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 green onions thinly sliced, and sesame seeds for garnish. Instructions: cut the tofu into small cubes and set aside. In a small bowl, whisk together the orange zest, orange juice, soy sauce, rice vinegar, brown sugar, and cornstarch. Set aside. Heat a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add the vegetable oil and when hot, add the tofu. Stir-fry the tofu until it is lightly brown and crispy, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the garlic, ginger, and red pepper flakes to the pan and stir-fry for an additional minute until fragrant. Pour the orange sauce into the pan with the tofu and stir until the tofu is evenly coated and the sauce is thickened. Serve the orange tofu over rice or noodles, garnished with green onions and sesame seeds if desired. And that's it! This vegan orange tofu recipe is so easy to make and is a healthy and delicious alternative to traditional orange chicken. We hope you give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Not bad, right? I haven't actually tried preparing the recipe, but here are the results of the second script, so just sit back and enjoy the video. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be preparing a healthy and delicious twist on a classic dish, orange tofu. This dish is packed with flavor and is a perfect alternative for those who are looking for a vegan or vegetarian option. Here's what you'll need: firm tofu, cornstarch, all-purpose flour, salt, pepper, orange zest, orange juice, rice vinegar, soy sauce, maple syrup, and sesame oil. You'll also need a pan, a mixing bowl, and a whisk. First, let's prepare the tofu. Drain the tofu and press it between paper towels to remove as much moisture as possible. Cut the tofu into cubes and toss it in a mixture of cornstarch, flour, salt, and pepper. You can use a plastic bag to shake it or use your hands, whatever you prefer. Now let's make the orange juice. In a mixing bowl, combine orange zest, orange juice, rice vinegar, soy sauce, maple syrup, and sesame oil. Whisk it until well combined. Heat a pan over medium-high heat and add a little bit of oil. Once the pan is hot, add the tofu cubes and cook for about 5 minutes on each side, or until golden brown. Add the orange sauce to the pan and toss to coat the tofu evenly. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy orange tofu dish that's sure to satisfy your cravings. Serve it over rice or with a side of vegetables for a complete meal. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipe videos like this one. So, what did I think? Honestly, it was delicious. A little short and sweet, but it was a really good recipe. I've made orange tofu a couple of times, and I think this may have been the best one. And it was pretty easy to prepare too. So yeah, I'm not hating it. I know the thought of AI can be scary, but it is here. So it's kind of like we can either embrace it and move along with it, or just kind of stay stuck in the past and fall behind. If there's one thing for certain, it's that things are always going to change, and this is even at the most basic level. You know, if you really think about it, every element is always on its way to becoming something else. So, and I don't like living in fear, you know, and worry. I just really try to keep a higher vibration, and I think that's maybe one of the best things we can do. And so I hope you all will do the same. So take care all. I'll see you next time.